That's because social distancing and mass gathering rules were not adhered to at the various protests that took place in major cities across New Zealand on Monday, including in Auckland, where thousands of protesters turned out to protest the killing of George Floyd, leading to a leading microbiologist in New Zealand, Dr. Susie Wiles, to recommend anyone who attended the Auckland demonstration to self-isolate for 14 days to prevent a surge in cases. Now, the Prime Minister, Jacinda Ardern, has condemned the killing of George Floyd. She says she completely understands, she knows why people around the globe, including here in New Zealand, want to protest. The Prime Minister says she understands the strength of feeling, but she simply cannot condone something. She cannot condone protests that so openly break the rules.
They have breached the rules. It was not right. New Zealanders have given up a lot, and I need to keep asking the team of 5 million to stay together so that we can reach the finish line. I understand the sentiment, but I cannot condone the breaking of the rules.
Following last night's protest in Auckland, the Deputy Prime Minister Winston Peters tweeted that the protesters there were showing that our team of 5 million are being let down by a small group who think they know better than everyone else. The Deputy Prime Minister saying that if authorities allow this to occur, then we should be at level 1 tomorrow. The Prime Minister, Jacinda Ardern, this morning has announced that she will be moving forward the date when Cabinet decides whether to move out of level 2 restrictions into alert level 1. That decision was meant to be made on the 22nd of June. It will now happen next week. Tom, the Prime Minister, says she's able to do so because we're exceeding expectations in the fight against COVID-19, but there's also considerable public and political pressure, including from the Deputy Prime Minister.